All right, good afternoon, class. We're going to be in the computer lab. Hopefully you're there. You want to get to your email and log in. And in your email, you might see a link for a new assignment, or you can go to the menu and get your classroom icon. You should only have one class unless your other teacher started it. So I'm going to play in Tom Brady's 7th period class. And here's the assignment. And I have a brief description of what you need to do, but I also already, if I open the assignment, have a document made for you to work from. It's thinking about it. Right here. It's already got your name on it, so you go ahead and open that. And this document has things broken down. So let's say Tom Brady is researching ocean acidification. And that's your title, and it's by Tom Brady. And there, the title's done. Your first paragraph is going to be giving the history of your problem and defining your problem. So I could research that. Paragraph 2, you're going to give relevant, meaning statistics. Statistics are facts with numerical values, but a date saying something happened in 1904 is not a statistic, that's just a date. Relevant means it has something to do with your topic. Paragraph 3 is all about, do you think the problem is getting better or worse? So the first two paragraphs are facts. The third paragraph is your opinion, but you're going to give evidence of your opinion and back it up. We need 3 sources. A good web address source has the web address that you can copy and paste, but it also has the actual name, because sometimes the name and the web address aren't the same and the date you looked at it. So if you only give me the web address here, then you won't get full credit on your sources. So how are you graded? When we do peer editing, in the yellow you're going to be graded up to 5 points for your peer editing group. In the blue are your 3 sources. In the green is the word count for 2 points, formatting, how does it look, and mechanics and grammar. Formatting's already done for you, so if you don't change that, you'll be okay. 12 of your points are inside these 3 paragraphs. So half your grade is not what you write, but it's how you do things. The paragraphs are already double-spaced. That's what I want. And when you're done, I expect you to delete this rubric, or at least enter it onto the next slide. How do you know how many words you've typed? Well, you highlight what you've typed. And what you've typed is not your title and not your sources. Don't count for your word count. You go to Tools and Word Count. And I can see that my whole work is 151 words, but the 3 paragraphs only have 96 words. And that would not be up to my 250 word count. So you can open a new tab to do a search. You can either do that in your email or somewhere else and just do a search and see what you can find. And it wants to do it already. And I have a definition here. Now I would want you to simplify this definition to be something you could understand. Now this came from Wikipedia. So I would actually have to go to Wikipedia, and on Wikipedia it's called ocean acidification, and this is the web address I would copy and paste. And so today my source would look like this. I would go down here, I would put in my source, I would write what it was, and I would give the date, and there you go, there's a source. So do your best. It's a working and research day, and ask me for help if you have questions.